Alright, so we got our Lone Star Edition up on the lift. We got some of the Village here working today. We have a very unique smell coming from the front bumper here, and I suspect there's something dead. So I'm going to have the guys take off the bumper, and we're going to get started. Now our goal today is to get the front end torn apart. We're going to replace ball joints, all the steering linkage, hub bearings, give that whole front end a nice once over, and then we're going to blacken out that front axle again, POR 15 it, and get this thing ready for the brutal Midwest winters, if you will. Really excited to see a nice, fresh, clean, brand new transmission in this thing. Not a drop of oil anywhere. This thing has no oil leaks. She's still pretty muddy under here. Obviously lived some time on a dirt road, but really encouraged about the lack of oil leaks. Super clean under here. Fresh tranny. Unfortunately, the front end needs a little love. So we got a little bit of a wheel bearing issue here, and the steering is like way tired as well. So we're going to go ahead and pull this apart, give that front end a nice refresh. That worked.
Yeah.
Does it smell in there?
I can't tell.
Still smells in there.
Here?
No, in here.
Well, we're still on the hunt for whatever's dead in here. Got the bumper off. Still no luck. Still stinks. Something horrible up here. So we're going to keep tearing it down, see if we can figure out what's dead in here. It's smelling up the whole shop, too. Alright, so we got the bumper off. Still no luck with whatever's dead in this thing. Front end on this thing's pretty much toast. We're going to replace basically everything, including the hub bearings, ball joints, all the U-joints, all the steering components, and just freshen this up. So we're going to drop this down and see if we can figure out what's still dead in this thing.